The next presentation is on interface among nanotechnology, chemical composition, and biological system, the need for updating the school's chemistry curriculum. Nur Shafina Mohd, you are requested to kindly click on request to speak so that we can take you to the front screen.
Thank you for the organizer for giving me the opportunity to present
Noor, your voice has disconnected. Your voice has disconnected, Noor. Kindly click your unmute yourself. Noor, your voice has disrupted. Should we reject you? We are ejecting you. You kindly click on request to speak again. Noor, you are requested to click once again. Yes, we had received it and we had accepted your request. Shortly, you will be on the main screen.
Hello,
Yes,
am I audible now?
yes, you are perfectly audible. Kindly
Okay,
continue.
thank you. Okay, so continue. So me, Nur Shafina Mohd, will be presenting our paper entitled Interface Among Nanotechnology, Chemical Composition and Biological System, the Need for Updating Schools Chemistry Curriculum. So this will be the content in my presentation today. So first, for the introduction. So nanotechnology, the prefix nano comes from Greek, meaning dwarf, describing very small size, or we can call that the very small particle. We call it as nanoparticle. So nanoparticle has been used in nanotechnology. So what is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology describes a series of technologies implemented at the nanoscale using the nanoparticles and is widely used as in various industries. So, for example, the application of nanotechnology. So, nanotechnology has been developed to improve health, which is referred to as nanomedicine. Okay, so the application of nanomedicine has been extensively applied in drug delivery, cancer treatment, for example, chemotherapy, and then for diagnostic process, and the latest one is for nucleic acid-based vaccine delivery, which is rapidly undergoing development in current COVID-19 pandemic era, where they use a nanoparticle as the carrier to carry the mRNA vaccine, such as Pfizer and also Moderna vaccine. So, due to importance of nanotechnology, this field has been introduced to the secondary level of chemistry education. However, there are still lack of exposure and knowledge levels of the teachers and students about nanotechnology. So, this paper will discuss the interface. So, this paper will discuss the interface among nanosystem, chemical composition, and biological system of human, and also we'll discuss about the nanomedicine and development of vaccine for pandemic, and lastly, nanotechnology and the teaching and learning in chemistry in school and college. Okay, so the objective of this paper is to discuss the interface among nanosystem, chemical composition, and biological system of human, nanomedicine and the development of vaccine for pandemic, and also to discuss the nanotechnology and the teaching and learning of chemistry in schools and colleges. And secondly, we want to analyze some literature regarding nanotechnology in chemistry teaching and learning and the need for the development of minanoria. Okay, so first, about the interface among nanosystem, chemical composition, and biological system of human. So first, about the biological system of human. So any damage on cellular or molecular level indicates poor health and disease. So as we know, cell is a very small size in our body. So that we need also a very small size particle to reach the cell. So at the nanoscale, the biological, physical, and chemical properties of materials are different from the properties of single atoms, molecules, or large materials in fundamental units. Thus, we know that nanoparticles have spatial chemical composition, where the arranged molecules in the nanoparticle desired outcomes in terms of the ductility, strength, reactivity, capacity, and conductivity. This development helps create machines and structure that will dominate very small size and will generate novel function and features as a result of their little size. So the aim of nanotechnology in the field of medicine and other related disciplines is to help to develop innovative products and methods for detecting and treating disease in an accurate, effective, targeted, and durable manner. And finally, the ultimate objective is to ensure medical practices and practitioners are safer. So next, about the nanomedicine and also the development of vaccine for pandemic. So a few nanocarrier are under examination to further develop the traditional medication to viably target drug discharge, low portion, diminish harmfulness, and control release of the medication. And then the latest evidence show that in areas such as vaccine development, methods based on this nanomedicine has better opportunities. This is because standard laboratory technique can be used to construct mRNA vaccine compared to the traditional way or conventional way of produce a vaccine. This means that they can easily adapt and quickly make a new vaccine to deal with future epidemics, because the possibility of
More
nano
minutes. 5 more minutes.
nanoparticles to carry a vaccine. So next, recently with nanomedicine technology, the development of COVID-19 vaccine process was enhanced, and according to Chauhan et al. 2020, as a result of enhanced vaccination technical platform and fast-track development of tactics, the first vaccine runner has already made it to human clinical trials. Okay, and next, about the nanotechnology and to teach and the teaching and learning of chemistry in school and college. So, as we know, nanotechnology has high relevancy in this modern technology. So, according to Blonder 2011, that nanochemistry is a new important scientific field. To teach the concept of nanochemistry, the chemistry teacher has to be conversant with this new topic, understand it, and feel pretty sure to teach students at school. And also, learning modules, there's a study that has been done that learning module on nanotechnology was developed for 9th degree learners for teaching chemistry, and in the module they use various methods by using learning based on games, models, and multimedia project based and narrative learning to support the student understanding. And a study by Blonder and Sohar 2017 stated that when students come into contact with nanotechnology, they believe that chemistry is more relevant and modern to their lives than the chemistry that they normally learn in school. So their motivation to study chemistry and related subjects increased steadily. So these are the results for the systematic analysis that we've done on technology in chemistry, teaching and learning. And also for the development of my nanorea. So for the nanomaterials has been used in our daily lives with explosive growth of nanotechnology application. And also we can see that a study has shown that in Greece, Bulgaria, Denmark, Finland, Czech Republic, Turkey, Germany, and Italy, nanotechnology is not a compulsory subject but part of the scientific content at high school level. So by integrating nanoscience into curriculum, schools must create chances for the learner to practice nanoscience from experiments, workshops, and competitions in education chemistry. And the most important thing is the teacher must get ready for this work, even with issue of emerging and innovative sciences in form of nanotechnology. So the conclusion from our systematic analysis is that teachers need professional skill and developmental experience to find strategies to link nanoscience to existing curricula which can be executed with a specific orientation to make connections between the old and new ones, showing exactly how and where the introduced concept can be incorporated into curriculum. Second, of course, the teachers require professional skills to provide educational resource such as mobile application like My Nanoria, technology and workbook to guide the use of the new materials. And the last one, teachers need help to make curriculum adaptations to conform to their workshop and learners. Okay, so for the acknowledgement, we as the authors thank Universiti Teknologi Malaysia and Universitas Negeri Malang Indonesia for funding this project under matching grant for B684 and 03M46 related to the development of educates. So that's all from me. For any question, you can ask through Nur Shafina at graduate.utm.my. Thank you.
It's a very good presentation. Thank you very much. Nanotechnology has been widely studied these days, and in all the countries, if it is not a compulsory subject, then also the nanotechnology is word of mouth for many students. Thank you very much for providing us a wonderful insights on nanotechnology.
Okay.